Okay, so before that, we have stopped with ERC, isn't it? Are you able to see? Clear? Everything is clear. We stopped with ERC and now we'll move on with question answers. After we finish our question answers, we'll revise the course book exercises in this poem and then we'll move on to grammar. Okay, so we have, if we complete this poem, right, we will do the grammar. All right, so before that I would like to tell you the marks. Okay, children, see, after giving a lot of revision, some have done well, some have not taken out the photo properly. I had a difficult time correcting it, and some have not been uploaded. I don't know why. What is the reason behind it? Whether you all had some technical problem. And okay, so the ones, those who have submitted the papers, those who have uploaded the papers, I'll just read out the marks for you, because in the last class you kept asking me the marks. Okay, who's logged in with the name grade 10? You please rename yourself. Grade 10 who's logged in, kindly rename yourself. So all students are here in the class, isn't it? So please rename. Okay, so now I'll just read out the marks, as other teachers also are doing the same thing, because it's highly difficult to send back the papers to you all. So I'll just read out the marks. Drina, my audio is low. Just a minute, I will just check with Manikavalli ma'am. Ma'am, is my audio clear?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Drina, there's some problem. Increase the volume in your cell or laptop or whatever. Okay, Drina? All right. Now, those who have uploaded the paper only, I'll just read out the marks. Adil, 22. Aditya, 21 and a half. Andrea, 15 and a half. Tansida, 24. Drina, 21. Elana, 18 and a half. Hannah Grace, 22 and a half. And please, whenever you're uploading the papers, let your name be not like, for example, Hannah Grace's sister's name was Jenny. So it was difficult to find out. So kindly write your name on each paper. All right. So when you're taking out photos, also kindly see how many papers you're writing, in the sense like in your writing in your test note. Okay, how many pages you're writing, and according to that you take out the photo. All right, Hannah, you this is a general information for everyone. Please write your name on every page of the paper. Understood? Write your standard. All right, because I'm handling 3 classes. So please, Hannah Grace, 22 and a half. Harith, 17. Jayavashni, 22 and a half. Harshan Balaji, I'll just check through whether you have submitted the paper. Jayavashni, 22 and a half. Kanishkan, 12. Keshwa, 23 and a half. Mahadi, 24 and a half. Milan, 20. Mitra Sai, 25. And Mesha Navala, please upload the paper and send it back to me again, because I've only received 1 paper from you. That is from question number 14, 15, 16. What about the first paper? Okay, Mesha. Yes, Vedant. Wait, Vedant, I am reading out the marks. Narayana, wait. Me, ma'am, wait. I'm reading out all the marks according to the alphabetical order. Kindly be patient enough to listen. Narayana and Vedant, your alphabetical order comes last. For everyone, I'm reading out the marks. Please hold on. Some have not uploaded. Nisha, I will tell you your mark. All right. So, for example, Mesha Navala, Okay, I received only one paper and it was, I don't know whether you forgot to upload the second paper. The first paper is missing, only second paper came in. That is your question, page number 2 only came in. Question page 1 did not come in for me. I don't know. It's only, I was just scrolling, but I was not able to get through. Okay, so kindly see that you post the paper again with 2 pages so that your marks increase. Okay, it's very sad, no, when you do your paper, because Mesha Nawala's paper, I was able to see halfways that she was able to, the first page was able to be seen. Okay, so kindly see that you upload the paper again, because Mesha Nawala's paper, from question number 14 only I received. Question number 14 to 21. All right. So Narayana Prasad, 23 and a half. Okay. Now Narayana Prasad, you received your mark now. It's 23 and a half. Okay. Kindly note. Naveen Krishnan, 19. Neha Vidula's paper, others are not uploaded. Nesma's paper is not uploaded. I don't know why. Pratiksha, 24 and a half. Rafael is 18. Saral 24. Sairam 23. Sandria 18 and a half. Sirti 21 and a half. Shahina Tabasum 22. Sivaprakash 19. Steve Abhishek 22. Taniksha Sami 24 and a half. Vedant 21 and a half. Mohammed Hatim 14. Sriram Shankar 19 and a half. Suhil Shivam 13. Mohammed Uwais 23 and a half. Nisha 4 and a half. Danyashri, no, Danyashri's paper is not uploaded. Hatim, only one paper has been uploaded, Hatim. Okay. So I don't know whether you forgot to take the other paper, you did not write, I don't know. It's not come to me. So 14 and a half you're having for that paper. And Lakshan 13 and a half and Prithvi 18. Clear with all your marks? Now I can start. Now I can start. Okay, shall I start my content part now? So you all will not trouble me here again and chat in the chat box for marks. Okay, others, I have not received anything. I have not received it. I don't know what is the problem, whether you all had technical problem or you all did not do the test. Maybe a mistake you all would have gone in grammar only. Okay. Andrea's mark is already told, no, 15 and a half. Sandria 18 and a half. Yeah, clear? That's what I said. It's just total how many students are here in the class. 40 students are here in the class, but just how many responses I received? Just about 23 or 25 responses only. I don't know what is happening to the others. Dansida, I was reading out the mark to you. I'll waste time then. Priti mark I just now read. Dansida is 24. Prithvi 18. No, it's not possible to send it in the classroom. It's highly difficult for me to send it. Okay, kindly understand my problem. All right. Drina, it's 21. You have uploaded the paper. Okay, I'll check. When did you do that? If it was there, it would have done, no, it would have been uploaded, no. Maybe you have done it late. Anyhow, I will check, Neha. Is that fine? Clear? Oh, you on that day itself, you did it? Okay, fine. I will check. So on this itself, 10 minutes will go. Afzal, I did not receive your paper. Anyhow, I will just check. Sriram Shankar. 19 and a half. Devanesh, you sent the paper, but it's not uploaded. Let me check. It's not uploaded. Pavana, it's not uploaded. The marks are not uploaded. I mean, I did not receive the paper. Atish Joy also, no. That's what I said. Some children, I don't know, maybe some technical problem or don't know what it is. Okay, if you have not uploaded, kindly upload and send it back. Okay. Yes, if we go on, we'll waste time, and then after that, I will not be able to finish the content part in this, because this poem you all are having for the second cycle test. Yes. Mesha Navala, I just now told for you also, you have been uploading. Harshan Balaji's paper, I need to check. I don't know. I'll check and let you know. So what papers were there, I was able to do it. Okay. What Harith page number you are asking me? You have Harith is 17. Your mark is 17. Then next doubt. Mesha Navala. See, I've told you that you have only uploaded one paper. I've received only one paper. And when the photo is taken, I could see the other paper also. So that means you have not taken it properly. You forgot to send the other paper. So kindly upload both the papers and send it so that it would be easy for correction. All right. Whatever is given that link, you just forward that link. Whatever you have done it, you do the same thing how you have done before. Understood? Okay. So if I go on doing like this, I will waste time and I will not be able to go through the content. So I stop my chat here. So next time when I read out the marks, I will read it out the last 5 minutes because I'm wasting time going through the if I have to take my classes. Okay. So all right. Now we'll start with the question answers. We are on poem 2, The People Upstairs. All right, clear with that? According to the poet, which two activities do the people upstairs enjoy doing? So you know the poem by heart. Okay, it's 12 lines. All right. The people upstairs enjoy practicing ballet and bowling. Okay, Pratiksha, you asked me a doubt. Last class, show me the picture for ballet. Remember? And I said, you check your classroom. Did you check your classroom? Did you check your classroom, Pratiksha? This is for Pratiksha who answered me last class and said, show me what is the ballet, ma'am. When twice I've taken the poem for you. Pratiksha, very good. Thank you, Pratiksha. Thank you. Okay. All right. So we are having our second cycle test on 6th. Am I right? We are having our second cycle test on the 6th. Okay. So that is Friday. All right. So that time I will do the revision. Next week I will do the revision. Yes. Clear? Clear with everyone? Everyone clear? Okay. So you can't ask me, ma'am, revision, because we need to complete our content part in poem 2. According to the poet, which two activities do the people upstairs enjoy doing? The people upstairs enjoyed practicing ballet and bowling. How do they encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are? Okay, we are on course book. Someone asked me which page number. I think so. It's Harith, page number. Yes, we finished the ERCs. We are on page number 35. Okay, Harith, doubt cleared? All right. So we are on page number 35, the question answers. How do they encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are? They encouraged. Now remember, children, whenever you are writing your question answers, please start with a capital letter. It's highly very important to start with a capital letter. And always I told you, when you take it out from the question, it changes into past. Encouraged, you need to add D. So many have not done that. You missed your marks in that. Grammar part I've told you. See, in grammar part I've told you to circle. Just a check. I will just let you know. Yeah, in the grammar part, I've asked you to circle the subject. See, for example, I gave given you the big rose bush. So the big rose bush fully you need to circle, and that half mark would go. Okay, some I've underlined. I don't know, halfways underlining, halfways not underlining subject. So it was highly tedious to do that. So you all missed your marks in that. Otherwise, it was very easy for you all to gain your marks. And I told on the board also, you need to circle subject, underline predicate, everything was taught to you, given revision. So that grammar part only you all have mistook. But collective nouns you all did. Okay, so that is the part. So next cycle test, see that you do well, okay, without any mistakes, get full 25 to 25, and take the photo properly. Lighting should be there. Some have written in very light pencil. It was very difficult to correct. Okay, so kindly keep yourself in my shoes and see that you all do it properly. How many pages you all are writing? Take a photo correctly and see, crop it and send it. Okay, right. So I was telling you that you have to start with capital letter. All right. Maybe first cycle tests, I am not discouraging anyone. Those maybe those have not done, some who have done, some technical problem, some saying, ma'am, I would have got marks. What is a mistake they're asking? So you all would have gone wrong in grammar. Now, simple concept, you have to start with a capital letter when you start. This you'll be learning in first standard. So kindly note there, you'll missed your marks. This is general information for everyone. I can't pinpoint and say you went wrong here, there. All right. They encourage their friends. So you start with a capital letter here, you take it from the question and you add D here. They encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are by supplying their guests with pogo sticks so that they can mix around and have fun at their parties. All right. Which two phrases tell you that their party goes on for a long time? The two phrases that tell us that their party goes on for a long time are weekends and all the weeks. Okay, we'll do that again. Which two phrases tell you that their party goes on for a long time? The two phrases that tell us that their party goes on for a long time are weekends, all the weeks. Remember when I was taking the poem for you also, I told you to make note of it. So their party goes on weekends and all the weeks. Kindly note that. Why does the poet want them to move to another flow? Every explanation was given for you. So kindly note, have the poem thoroughly in your mind. Do not miss out any words or letters in the sentences. Try to gain good marks. The poet wants them to move to another flow. Say, for example, the poet wants them to. It's given in the question itself. So take it out clearly, write slowly, no hurry, but see that you not make any mistakes. Okay, read through after you write. The poet wants them to move to another flow. This is given in the question. So I don't think this is going to be any problem for you. The poet wants them to move to another flow because they are too noisy. So in case this question comes, what you will do? The only words that you need to fit in is because they are too noisy. So children, please note, every mistake half mark is going. So don't lose that half marks. Okay. We'll do that again. Why does the poet want them to move to another flow? The poet wants them to move to another flow because they are too noisy. Tanisida, We are on page number 35. Harat also asked the same thing. We are in the content part. I told you at the beginning of the class itself, I'm going to start my content where we stopped with poem. Clear, Tanisida? Okay. Now we move on to think and answer. This is just for your general information. It might come for true or false also. So you just know it. Do you think there are enough reasons for the poet to dislike the people upstairs? Yes, there are many reasons. Why? Because they're always making noise. Okay, people upstairs are very noisy neighbors. So sometimes this might be given in fill in the blanks also. The people upstairs are dash neighbors, noisy neighbors. So this might be given in true or false also. The people upstairs are very sad neighbors who live upstairs. They are very sad. So this is false. So please note. Okay. The question might be twisted and asked for any subdivision, either for choose or for true or false or for anything. The only thing that you need to know the concept in the lesson. What is the concept? The people upstairs are noisy neighbors. It seems they regularly practice ballet or enjoy bowling in their living room. They seem to be having parties all the time. And even when they go to the bathroom, it seems as if they go on roller skates. Now, whatever answers I'm giving you or whatever questions I'm putting forward to you, it might help you for essay 1. Like, for example, I'm telling you, what are the games that they practice in the living room? They practice ballet and they enjoy bowling in the living room. That is one. Okay. So do they have their parties all the time? They have their parties weekends. When they go to the bathroom, it seems that as if they go on roller skates. So how do they go to the bathroom? On roller skates. Okay, underline that. That is one. Okay, so we move on to the vocabulary part on page number 36. Okay. Now I want you to take your pencil, have a pencil and eraser in your hand, and you can do the course book exercises along with me. So here we need to know some words are being pronounced or spelled differently. Okay, words pronounced the same but spelled differently. They also have different functions in a sentence. All right. We need a lot of practice. PRACTICE is noun form. Sriram Shankar, can you mute your video, please? It disturbs others. Mute. Thank you. I will practice before the performance. Okay, so we are on page number 36 in your course book. Samruth, please mute your video. My teacher advised us to go to the playground. Okay, so you write down there, it's a verb. Okay, ADVISED is to counsel a person. Okay, I'll just increase it here. Okay, so write it down in your course book. Verb. My teacher advised us to go to the playground. So giving some counsel. Thanks for your advice, ADVCE. Okay, so giving some kind of opinion to go ahead with some action. All right, this is ADVICE. It's a noun. So take your pencil and fill in the blanks, which is their noun. Page number 36. All right. Third one, my mother devised a method. That means given a plan. Okay, a method to feed the cat. Verb. Fourth one, he liked to play with complex devices. Okay, complex devices, DVICES is object or equipment. Device. Okay, it's equipment. So that is noun. Asha's driving license, LICENCE. This has already been underlined. Okay, so this is some kind of certificate which is given to you where you are authorized by the government to drive on the road. Okay, Asha's driving license will expire in a month. So this is the authorization given for you to drive on the road. Okay, so that is noun form. They were licensed to sell ice cream at the shop. Okay, license means given permission. Okay, verb. All right, so we move on to page number 36. Look at the phrase, if only, in the last line of the poem. It expresses a wish, longing for something. It also implies a condition. Okay, now, if you learn in grammar, if, but, all this comes under conjunctions. Okay, so only if you do this, I will do this. So that is condition. So it's a phrase, if only. Now they're asking you to write 2 sentences using the phrase, if only. If only I had studied more, I would have done well in the test. Okay, can you write that down? Can you write that down? If only I had studied more, I would have done well in the test. Okay, the next second one is, if only there a park nearby, I would go out and play every day. If only there a park nearby, I would go out and play every day. Okay, finish completing. All right, we'll move to the next one. Here are some interesting things you're going to learn on page number 37. Page number 37, some interesting things you're going to learn. Okay, so here you're learning some French words. All right, you're learning some French words. The people upstairs all practice ballet. I told you ballet is an artistic dance form. All right, ballet is a French word. Over the years, the English language has borrowed a number of words and expression from French. So ballet is a French word, and also it is an artistic dance form. All right. Now, I think so. Last year, I have showed the dictionary part, how you need to use it last year. Okay, I've showed you, I brought a Humpty number of dictionaries and I showed you Oxford Dictionary, right? So you need to check the meaning for it in the dictionary. Okay, adieu means farewell. Adieu means farewell. Or you can say goodbye. Adieu, goodbye. A la carte. A la carte. As per the menu. Can you write this down? If you have received it in the classroom and you've written it down, it's fine. If you have not done it, kindly do it. Okay. Bon appetite. Bon appetite is eat well. Have a good appetite. Bon voyage. Have a safe and happy journey. All right. So we have completed our content part, and the words that you have learned in the story here is, in this poem, is ballet, bowling alley. These are all new words that you have learned, isn't it? Conducted tours, pogo sticks, and abates. So we have completed. Yes, it's time up now.